Assalamu alaikum. This is very easy recipe for mutton curry. All the full details of the recipe will be in description. For the recipe we need 5 tablespoons of oil, medium to large 3 onion and about 5 medium tomatoes, 2 to 3 green chili, 1 large spoon of garlic and ginger paste, half cup of oil, masalas, and 1.5 teaspoon of cumin seeds separately, and also kasuri methi. And first, before we start cooking, we're gonna take a small amount of oil and in a big pan soften the onions first and also the tomatoes, so that we can then grind them in a paste and put it in a plate before start the cooking. So once we have softened the onion slices, make it slices, not small pieces, slices, softened, and they're becoming a bit transparent. We add tomatoes, also slices, to soften them as well. Would be more easy to grind it in a paste. Once onions and tomatoes are softened, when they are grinded, the consistency should look like this. In a new big pot, add half cup of oil and 1.5 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and also the green chilies, 1 to 2. If somebody likes more spicy, they can add more, but we prefer just about 2, maximum 3. And let them crackle, the cumin seeds. After about 1 minute, add a big spoon of garlic and ginger paste and keep mixing it for it to cook a little bit so it doesn't stick to the pan. After garlic and ginger paste is changed color, it's time to add meat. Mix it well and let it cook for it to change the color from the outside. So mix it to make all the sides change the color. Next step is also very easy. Once the meat is like this, it's changed the color from the outside. You just need to add the tomato onion paste, all the masalas that will be mentioned in description. Mix it well and let it cook for about 4 minutes, 4 to 5 minutes. After 4 to 5 minutes have passed, add 1.5 glass of water, and when it is bubbling, then cover it and cook it till the meat is soft. Check upon it if it requires to add a little bit more water, but meat needs to be soft before the gravy is ready. Once you have checked that the meat is soft, you can do it with a fork. Honestly, if it's fresh bought meat and straight away cooked, it might take less time, about roughly an hour, if it's on a regular stove cooked. It would be faster on a pressure cooker, but if the meat is from the freezer, it might take honestly almost up to 2 hours if it's not cooked with pressure cooker. And as you can see, the oil has separated, and once you are happy with the consistency of the gravy and the meat is soft, I've already added the kasuri methi. Then when you are happy with the consistency of the gravy and the meat is soft, it's ready to be served and eaten with naan or roti. Enjoy.